Hi guys, welcome back to another Farm Boys video, and today we're going to be walking upstream our river and showing you some of the little waterfalls and waterholes.
So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. This is a beautiful part of the river. It's amazing. Small water hole here. Another small water hole. It's a beautiful place. It looks this beautiful every time because it's when it rains a lot. Wow, that's a cool little rock here. Wow. By the way, if you're wondering what we've got on, we've got our Farm Boys merch, which we'll be selling once we reach 1,000 subs. This is what it looks like. This is the cap. It says Farm Boys on the top. And there's a shirt. It's like red and black. And on the back there's a bigger one. Looks really cool. Yeah, so once we hit 1,000 subscribers, please buy our merch. This is probably one of the coolest things of the whole river here. It's a beautiful, beautiful little arch here under the rock. It's like a huge water hole in it. Beautiful. It's a beautiful water hole under this massive rock. This beautiful, beautiful little thing under the rock. Goes out the other side. Wow. This is probably as far as we're gonna go. Another little water hole here even. Right at the end. Wow. So beautiful. Another one up there. Just gonna go here. Wow. This is huge. Yeah, we can't get past there. Now we're going to be heading back. Wow.
It's really loud in here because all of the water is flowing down there into this little pond. In the coming videos, we might be yabby fishing here. There's massive yabbies in here.
It's just a beautiful place to do anything.
Yeah.
We call this Lucas Canyon because it's like a canyon. You can just fit through here. It's amazing. Wow.